This is completely looted.
Oh, shotgun choke on me.
Oh, guy with a shotgun
Oh my
here.
god!
I knocked this guy down with my fists. Kill
Oh,
this
come
guy.
on! Take his stuff.
I fucking punched him to death.
Take his stuff, Dan.
Taking all of it. I fucking earned this shit.
No, Dan, he wasn't moving.
No, I have it on tape. I fucking
He
engaged him and knocked him down.
Yeah, I watched the whole thing. He was trying to shoot at Dan, and he got him to like half health, but he killed Dan. Knocked him out with his
There's
fist.
the guy right. There's the guy right here.
Where?
Dan, help.
Where is
Dan, he's behind you.
Okay, Dan. Never mind. Thanks.
it?
You get him?
Yep.
You get him?
We need more. There's another guy around here.